This is a vibration alarm clock is designed for heavy sleepers and hearing impaired. The clock provides 3 independent alarms. Short press alarm button. Switch alarm 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. A long press alarm button to turn off or turn on each alarms. The display can be folded, which is convenient for user to read times. The clock also provides 4 alarm modes. Long press set button. Press minute or hour button to switch alert mode. Buzzer. Vibration. Buzzer plus vibration. Vibration. Buzzer plus backlight.